Let's start by inflating a duplet of balloons to 4.5 inches. Make sure to measure them properly, cross them, twist twice, and tie them together. Now inflate another duplet, this time to 3.5 inches. Measure carefully again, then bring the two pairs together to form a cluster of 4 balloons, 2 balloons of 4.5 inches and 2 of 3.5 inches. Now let's make the body of our butterfly. I'll use a 260 balloon in black. First, I make a small bubble about 2 fingers wide, hold the nozzle, and create a pinch twist. Turning about 5 times. Then I secure the nozzle by wrapping it through the pinch twist neck. Next, I measure the body, about 5 or 6 fingers long, but you can adjust it as you like. I make a loop twist, placing the balloon cluster right in the middle of the loop. And twist several times and lock it in. Then I make another small 2-finger bubble, fold it, and create another pinch twist by twisting firmly. Cut off the extra balloon and wrap the leftover piece around the pinch twists to secure everything nicely. Now, let's move on to the antennae. Take a 160 balloon, cut it in half, and tie the open ends. Inflate just a little bit to make a small 2-finger bubble on each side and tie a knot. Trim off the excess to make it neat. Tie the 2 antennae together. Trim any extra and tuck them between the pinch twists on the butterfly's body. Cross them once or twice to secure. And that's it. Our balloon butterfly is finished. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video.